Now we are going to see machine definition, control definition, and the post processor, and the locations, and how these three are related to each other, how it will affect the NC file generation, how to use this, all these things we are going to see now. Uh, so first of all, you need to first select the machine. So which machine if you want to, so I select a milling, lathe, wire, routing and design. These are the modules are available. So far we have seen only design. So now we are starting the milling. Next lathe and the wire we will go one by one. Okay. So milling. So you can see default machine. So there are AS machine is there, OSI machine is there, hidden machines are there, many machines are there, controllers are there. Okay. If you click on the manage list, so there are these many machines are default machines are available. From here, whatever machines you need it, you can select it and you can remove it and add it. Okay. Suppose I need um, a Siemens 840D controller, VMC controller. Okay. Okay, I need one machine. I add it. That's all. Okay. So you can change the manager here. So only, or you can see only one machine is available now. So what I did is I went to manage list. Whatever is existing, all the things I removed it, and what machine I need it at present, that machine I selected and that machine is visible here now. So I just selected that machine. So now you can see toolpath manager. If you switch on, that machine is visible to you. Sometimes it may be like this also. So the plus sign, you just click it and you'll see the expansion. Then there is a property. If you click on property, just click on the property, all things will open to you. So files are there, tool settings are there, job settings are there. Then your toolpath is going to come. So at present, don't keep always keep one single machine in the window. If unknowingly if you selected more than one machine, like this you don't keep it. So you keep clean. If you don't want means select and delete from your keyboard. Okay. Just you delete it. That's all. Don't keep more than one. See, sometimes you don't click on the window means you click on the manager window inside the manager, not the um, on the area display area. Okay. So if you click on the files, one window you can able to see here. Here the tool directory is there. Um, Here that machine option is available. So the description showing that. So what machine you have selected? Siemens 840D VMC mm.mmd. Okay. So from file, where this file is taken. So this is all about the machine information. The next below that is the information about the controller. So from where the controller it is reading. See user public documents, shared mastercam, mill and post. From the post it is reading the post processor. Okay. This is the path of the post processor. So above one is the controller path, and this is the machine path. So uh, if you want to make one machine, means it makes made by the three files. So Mastercam machine definition consists of three files. One is .mmd, okay, mcam mmd, that is the machine definition file. So mcam mmd is milling machine manager mmd. Next is dot control means control definition, and dot pst means a post processor. These all three together are one particular machine. Okay. Suppose you can replace means you can replace from here. Just clicking here. So we'll take some other machine now. Suppose a horse 3-axis machine if I want to. I can select. So there are little difference you can able to see. It's generic. So generic has 3-axis mcam mmd. Okay. So that machine. Horse 4-axis mill mcam mmd. The bottom one is 5. So in this bottom one there is no mm. It means wherever mcam mmd is there, it is the metric control definition or machine definition. So wherever this there is no mm in the machine definition manager, it is the inches machine definition manager. Okay, I just replace him. So now we can see that it is changed to the mcam mmd. Machine definition file and control definition file and post processor. All three is getting changed now. You can replace it. You can edit. Yes, you can edit also. So this is the editing window. So this is a machine definition manager window. So here if you see all new components. So this is the this general machine parameter, and this is the control definition, and next one is the access. So generally you no need to enter in this all the things. If you take the post processor, it is more than enough. And this is your post processor. So just if you open it, how the machine is built, that will be shown here. Machine here, table. Above the table that is y-axis. Above the y-axis there is x-axis. Above the x-axis there is a machine table. And the next is a spindle group. The above the machine table, a-axis is added. Above the a-axis, the fixture and other thing is added. Okay. All work holding devices you can say. This is the table group. Okay. So top assembly, spindle group. Spindle and z-axis. In the z-axis, that machine spindle is there. Okay. There is a tool grip and tool holders. All ATC and other things will be there. It's all combined together, it is making the mmd. If you want, you can change it here. If you want to add it something, you want to add some components, and this procedure is all the components are here. You can see here. If you want to make a new machine, you can add it. You can example I just trying to add. You can add it in the below the spindle here. So now just add, just pull and push only, nothing. All properties you can see it. and this is y-axis. All information is given. Just for the knowledge, I am just exploring, and there are so many things are there, but don't change anything. Just try to understand what is machine definition. So all information about your machine you can input here, and you can customize as per your machine. Okay. So the new tool I added, no, that it is, there is a compounded and right-handed is there, and uh, UAD also there. So like this, if you want some other new things also, you can add it here. So like this, you can build your own machine with your own configuration. If you don't want means, just delete it. Right click and delete. So this is how a component need to be added. So whatever machine you have, that machine you can make your own machine definition manager here. Okay, this is all about the machine definition manager. So machine definition means it is having the information about your machine. So the next is the control definition. This is the control. So you can see here feed rate and information here. Smoothing feed rates. So if you switch on the smoothing feed rate means there is a sudden change in the direction, automatically the feed rate will reduce and it will machine smoothly. What is minimum and maximum? So this and all just I am showing it for the knowledge purpose only, nothing else. You are not supposed to modify these things. So that the person who is customizing post processor, he will make all these things and do. So the next is the control definition. So what is control definition? It will give all the information about the controller. So now it is not allowing me to edit anything. Everything grayed out. So we come from the directly from the machine, so it will not allow you to edit. If you come from the control definition machine definition manager, then definitely it will allow. So this is the your post process. Okay. So now I am just closing this. You can edit it from here. This is control definition and machine definition. So now you see that you came to the same place. So you can make your new machine. You can open the existing machine and save as these options are available. Uh, and here is the control definition. This is about your axis combination. Okay. So how the machine axis is moves. First first Z, X and Y. The moves like this way. Okay. Now we'll go to control definition. So you can see here the post cursor. So now you can delete it and the customized post cursor you can add it also here. Okay. So this is all about the machine definition. and control definition. So here you can access the machine definition and the control definition. So what is the file origin of this machine definition file or control definition file? Suppose a new post processor you need to install it. You have taken the customized post processor from the Mastercam supplier. Then how you need to install it? That so where it is available. C user public 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 inside public documents. Here you can see all machine information shared Mastercam 2021. All the things available here. So you can see CNC machine inside this. You will see all the machine definition and control definition both. Dot control files, dot mmd file, okay, and the machine definition. Dot control file, dot mcam lmd file, mmd file. So inside CNC machine there are two files are there, control files and the machine definition files. You can see there are so many files are there here. Something or LMD is there, GMD is there. LMD means lathe machine definition. GMD means MMD means milling mill definition manager. Uh, WMD means wire definition manager. Okay. GMD means your routing definition manager. So like this, there are many managers are there. So depending upon the type of machine, uh, GMD means machine definition belonging to routing to machine. Okay. LMD means machine definition related to the turning. Okay. Lathe machine definition. Wire machine definition is milling machine definition MMD. Wire cut machine definition is WMD. So, so milling MMD, lathe LMD, and wire WMD, and routing is the RMD files. These are the machine definition files. But control definition for all is the single dot control. Okay, there is no change in the control. So there is no big difference in the control files in the all the machines. Okay. Mm, dot for milling also dot control and even for lathe also dot control file. So almost control files are all are similar. So what is changed? That machine definition files are changed. So CNC inside CNC machine there are two files are there, .mmd file and .control file. Okay. So then the post processor .pst mill you can mill. So inside the mill you will see the post processor. So you will see that the .pst file in the inside the mill folder. So that is .pst is the post processor file. So pst.pst is the post processor file extension. Okay. So machine definition file extension is .mmd, control definition file dot extension is .control, and post processor file extension is the .pst. Okay. So this is your file path. You can just click see user public document share mcam2020.pst file. Okay. You just copy it. Where this location, if you want to understand, this is okay. This the customization a person can do this work. Suppose what is post processor customization? It means there once you take a default post processor and you will generate NC file means you will find a lot of unnecessary thing will be generated in the NC file. So you need to delete all the things and and then you can use it for your machining. So the post processor customization means what are all the things you need, you can add it, and also what are all the things you don't want in the program, those things you can remove it, and that whatever the program you generate from the machine, directly you can use it in the machine. Okay, you no need to edit the whatever the program coming out of the mastercam, you directly send it to the machine and you can run it. So that is called the post processor customization work. Okay, so for that the authorized people are there, mastercam as a place, they will customize and give you the post processor. Okay. So you can paste the files accordingly, whatever you are getting from your Postgres expert. Okay. So now we have seen what is machine definition. So the process what I explained you is common to all, not only for milling. So for the turning also these procedures are same. I just modified for the lathe. The same will be the windows or other thing will similar, but the machine is lathe. Okay, so that's the only difference. Even even if you select the machine lathe, then automatically the tool path is changed now. If you change select the wire, then you can see that the tool paths all comes for the wire. Okay, so you can see that wire machine information here. So you can see upper wire guide, lower wire guide. Okay, wire information, axis detail. This is about the machine definition, control definition, and the post processor. Uh, so it gives the now we try to give overall idea. The first what you need to select is the machine. So and what it consists of, all the things we have seen now. Okay. So what are all there in the machine definition that we are seeing. Okay, thank you.